Hi, and welcome to another video. Here, we're going to go over one of the best chemistry demonstrations for a specific heat capacity. It's real easy. You don't need a lot of equipment. Let's get to it. If you have access to a Bunsen burner, which you need, then remember safety first. It is your responsibility, of course, to make sure that you practice this demonstration, you know what you're doing. This is just a disclaimer that any liability for any loss or damage, of course, is on you. Never ever do anything in the laboratory that you are not comfortable with. Safety first, always. As far as equipment goes, you see it right in front of you. That's it. That's all you need. Paper cups, that's what you're going to have to buy if there aren't any in the department where you work. No wax on the cups. We're talking the bathroom cup where it's just paper. I'm going to show you the demo that was already done by the North Carolina School of Science and Mathematics. This video clip is on YouTube. They have plenty of other video clips on YouTube for you to use. If you don't have access to a Bunsen burner, not a problem. Then you can show the students the clip. I always think it's better to do it live with them when we can, but there are times where we just don't have the access. Or you could even use it then as a review quiz or something like that. I'm going to show this to you now and then just go over some quick tips for you to just remember when you do it. We see the teacher just taking a paper cup, it's empty, and sure enough, it burns, and that's why he has a beaker with some water in it to extinguish the flame. Now, there's water in the cup, and you'll notice there's going to be a little burning of the cup at the bottom, but most of the heat is going into the water, and the water is going to boil. One of the things he says in the video is he also put food coloring in the water. I don't normally do that, but certainly the students can see that it is not burning up anymore, and sure enough, the water is boiling in the cup. Now, when you do this as a demo, make sure that you bring the cup over the flame. Don't bring it to the side. I would bring it over. Water has a high specific heat capacity relative to paper, and that's why when the water is in the cup, the energy gets transferred to the water, and the water is absorbing that energy and not burning the cup. You could have the students predict what they think would happen before you show them. You could have them look up specific heat capacities. You could start out your discussion about specific heat capacities prior to the demo or after, or put it as part of maybe a few demos that you might do as some sort of quiz. Whatever you do with it, it's fairly easy, I think, to keep the equipment handy from year to year. And if you don't have the luxury of a lab, you could certainly show the video clip instead. As always, keep working hard. Good luck.